Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a simple milkshake recipe. Vanilla ice cream, some ice cubes, whipped cream, milk and Oreo cookies. We'll open the jar first and then we'll add about 8 to 10 cubes of ice. Then we'll add some ice cream, about 2 teaspoons or maybe 3 according to your liking. You can never stop with these sinful things, We crush the cookies. Then we'll add around 2 tablespoons of whipped cream, then milk. About 200-250 ml of milk. And so it's time to serve now. Take a glass of your choice. Pour it, pour it, pour it. If you like more cookies in your shake, you can just garnish it by breaking the cookie on top of the shake.